The Girl Who Saved the Trees. A short moral story. In a small village surrounded by ancient forests, lived a girl named Arya. She loved the trees, their tall, whispering leaves, the cool shade, and the songs of birds hidden in their branches. One day, workers arrived with loud machines. They planned to cut down the trees to build a big shopping center. The villagers were excited, thinking of new jobs and shops. But Arya was heartbroken. She ran to the oldest tree, a giant oak, and hugged it tightly. "If we lose the trees," she cried, "we lose our home, our air, our magic." At first, no one listened. But Arya didn't give up. She made signs, spoke to the villagers, and told stories about how the trees gave them fresh air, clean water, and homes for animals. Slowly, the villagers began to understand. Together, they found another place for the shopping center, far from the forest. The trees were saved, and the village thrived with both new shops and green woods. Arya smiled, knowing her voice had made a difference. Moral: one voice, when filled with passion and courage, can protect what truly matters. Thank you for watching.